Discover the top 5 best luxury pergolas in 2024. In this video, we'll review elegant pergolas from Backyard Discovery and Mirador, including the stunning 12 by 10 pergola, Ridgedale modern steel pergola, Beaumont all-cedar pergola, and more. Whether you're looking for a wooden, steel, or louvered design, these pergolas offer both style and functionality to elevate your outdoor space. Stay tuned to find the perfect luxury pergola for your backyard. Number 5. The Backyard Discovery 12 by 10 pergola offers a blend of beauty and durability, perfect for transforming any backyard into a cozy outdoor retreat. Made from quality cedar, its sculptured beams and spacious design provide an inviting area for relaxation or entertainment, accommodating both people and furniture comfortably within its 63 square feet of interior space. One of the standout features is its durability, as the pergola is Pro-TCT tested and can withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, making it ideal for various climates. The 6 feet 7 inches headroom allows for plenty of clearance, and the cedar posts, reinforced with diagonal braces, provide stability and strength. Additionally, the power port with outlets and USB ports is a convenient touch for modern outdoor living, whether for lighting or charging devices. Assembly is made easier with the step-by-step BLT app, and the pergola comes pre-stained in a medium brown finish, ready for installation. However, users must ensure proper anchoring to maximize its structural integrity. Reviews highlight its ability to withstand heavy winds and even snow, making it a long-lasting addition to any home. For those looking to enhance their outdoor space, the Backyard Discovery pergola is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Number 4. The Backyard Discovery Ridgedale modern steel pergola is a stylish, low-maintenance addition to any outdoor space. Built from 100% galvanized steel and powder-coated stainless steel hardware, this pergola is designed to withstand rust, corrosion, and UV damage, ensuring it remains attractive and durable over time. The modern architecture not only adds a sleek aesthetic, but also enhances the functionality of your space, whether it's by the pool, in the garden, or on your patio. The built-in seating accommodates 4 to 6 people comfortably, with best-in-class sunbrella cushions available in 4 colors for both style and durability. The integrated side table offers added convenience, and the soft shade canopy provides protection from the sun while allowing airflow and water drainage. This thoughtful design ensures the pergola remains worry-free even in rainy conditions. Although one user noted difficulty aligning the bolts during assembly, they still praised the structure's solidity and comfort. Another reviewer loved its sturdiness and functionality, particularly for creating shade in a sunny backyard. With oversized seats, users with shorter legs may need extra cushions for comfort, but this can add a personalized touch to the design. Overall, the Ridgedale pergola combines beauty, practicality, and flexibility, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor living space with minimal upkeep. Number 3. The Backyard Discovery Beaumont all-cedar wooden pergola is an impressive and sturdy structure that brings elegance and functionality to expansive outdoor spaces. Crafted from 100% cedar, this pergola is naturally resistant to decay, ensuring long-lasting durability. The robust design features 6 by 6 heavy-duty posts, dual structural cross beams, and corbels that enhance both its strength and visual appeal. The pergola is also Protect tested and proven to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, making it an ideal choice for various weather conditions. A standout feature of the Beaumont is the exclusive power port, which includes 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports. This adds modern convenience for charging devices, powering lights, or other outdoor electronics, making the pergola not only visually attractive but also functional for gatherings and relaxation. Available in multiple sizes, it can suit different backyard layouts. Users have praised the pergola for its high-quality construction and timeless design. One reviewer noted how stunning the pergola looks after professional installation, while another emphasized satisfaction with its excellent build quality. Assembly is made more manageable with pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained wood, along with step-by-step instructions via the BLT app. With its alluring traditional design and brawny construction, The Beaumont Pergola offers a perfect blend of beauty, durability, and modern utility for large outdoor spaces. Number 2. The Mirador 111S Metal Louvered Pergola with adjustable roof is an innovative addition to any outdoor space, offering both style and practicality. Its sleek, modern design, which has won international awards, adds a contemporary touch to patios, barbecue areas, and outdoor living spaces. Constructed from a powder-coated aluminum frame with galvanized steel louvers, the pergola is durable and built to withstand winds up to 73 miles per hour. One of its key features is the adjustable louvered roof, allowing you to customize the angle of the louvers from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, providing flexibility in controlling sunlight, rain, and wind. The integrated guttering system efficiently channels rainwater away, preventing water buildup, making it suitable for unpredictable weather conditions. However, snow accumulation should be avoided by opening the louvers. Installation is straightforward, with prefabricated rails and louvers that require no special tools, and the included expansion bolts ensure a secure attachment to the ground. Some users found the assembly process a bit tedious, but appreciated the sturdy result. Others praised its durability and value for money, particularly noting how well it handled storms when anchored to concrete. Overall, the Mirador 111S offers a high-performance, stylish solution for enhancing outdoor spaces, with easy-to-use adjustable louvers and a smart drainage system. Whether for protection from the elements or simply elevating the look of your backyard, this pergola is a reliable and elegant choice. Number 1. The Backyard Discovery 16 feet by 12 feet traditional steel pergola is a top-tier addition to any outdoor space, offering both strength and elegance. Constructed from 100% galvanized steel with a contemporary white powder-coated finish, this pergola is designed for zero maintenance, resisting rust, chipping, and UV damage. Its heavy-duty build, combined with stainless steel hardware, ensures durability and longevity, making it a superior choice compared to aluminum or vinyl structures. One of the key features is its Pro-TCD-tested wind resistance, withstanding winds up to 100 miles per hour, providing peace of mind in various weather conditions. The included UV-protected soft-shade canopy offers protection from the sun while allowing airflow and water drainage, preventing pooling during rain. With 192 square feet of shade, the pergola provides ample space for outdoor furniture, fire pits, and entertaining. Additionally, the exclusive power port featuring 3 USB ports and 3 electrical outlets adds modern convenience for powering devices and outdoor electronics. Users appreciate the pergola's elegant look and how it enhances the aesthetic of their outdoor spaces. One reviewer noted excellent customer service after experiencing a missing part, while another praised its ease of assembly and ability to withstand tough lake weather. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Hawthorne Steel Pergola combines classic design with modern durability, offering an attractive and resilient solution for outdoor living. Its easy assembly and long-lasting performance make it a smart investment for any backyard or patio. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best luxury pergolas in 2024. We hope you found the perfect option for your outdoor space, whether it's the elegant wooden designs or the sleek modern steel styles from Backyard Discovery and Mirador. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor living tips and product reviews. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you next time.